Hello everyone, this is Sam Gabriel, and in today's video I want to talk about a migration from secrets from AWS Secrets Manager to Vault. I just put together this quick Terraform script to be able to get that done, so I just wanted to share that with you. So let's get going. Now what you see on the screen here is the AWS console. I've got two secrets here to test: the SAMG Migration Vault, SAMG Migration Vault 2. So if we go into any one of those, you can quickly see what this looks like. So username foo, password bar, and the same thing for this guy, the second one. Username foo2, password is bar2. So pretty straightforward. And if we go into the Vault UI, and you can see inside of my secrets here, I don't have any of these two secrets are not present right now. So what we're going to do is run Terraform to populate or to migrate the secret into Vault. So let's do that. Just do a Terraform plan to show you what's going to take place. Okay, so as you can see here, we are going to create the two secrets. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a Terraform apply. Just auto approve this. Okay, so it's running the plan as usual, and it's done. So let's go back. Let's refresh this. And I'm gonna probably need to take my token. So let me just copy that real quick. Alright, where did I store it? So, okay, let's log in. Here you go. We have successfully moved over the secret. So you see foo and bar, username and password for the first one, and the second one, bar2 and foo2 for the username and password. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you from a demo perspective. But now let me go back and show you the actual code, the Terraform code. And the way this works is pretty simple. I have a main Terraform file here, and it's calling two providers, the AWS provider and the Vault provider, because basically it needs to talk to AWS, grab the secret, and then talk to Vault, configure the secret. So you can see the two providers here. I have a module, and in the module, I'm passing in a list, a variable list called secret names. This variable list is here. So in the variables folder file, you can see I'm defining the AWS region, but here is where you would put all the names of your AWS secrets so that they can get populated in Vault, right? So you just add all your secret names that are in Secret Manager here, comma separated. Of course, it's a list, and the main file is going to grab this. It runs a for each statement on the module, so it's going to rerun the module for every one of those secret names. As you can see, it's going to feed the name, each.value, which is the name of the secret, into the module. So if we look at the module itself, this is what's happening inside the module. Name is the variable, the input variable, and we're using a data keyword here to pretty much grab the secret. Here's the var.name we're grabbing from here. That's passed into the module. And once we have that, once we get that, then we can call on the ID to retrieve the actual secret. And we leave it here in the secret ID, as you can see. And then finally, we create a resource which is just a Vault generic secret. It's a KV store, right? So we're talking to the KV store. The path we're defining here, and I'm giving the actual name of the secret that we fed into the module, the exact same name that we had in AWS Secret Manager. So pass that into Vault, and then this is where we're actually giving the JSON into Vault. So we're passing it into Vault, referencing, of course, referencing this, right? So we're referencing this, the secret from here, which is the secret string that comes out of the output from here. And that's pretty much it. There is an output file I'm not really using. I was just using it for testing. But it's a very simple script to get you going to be able to migrate secrets from AWS Secrets Manager over to Vault. Thanks for watching.